this is Caroline from WDBNK, and today we are in the Baronnie Provençale, and we are going to do a Turkish pide. We have a nice pizza oven here, so we couldn't resist to do that. We went to the local market and we bought some nice radishes. What we take now is the greens of the radishes.